Good morning, students. In this video lesson, we will study about the various causes of loss of biodiversity. Loss of biodiversity is basically caused by overpopulation, urbanization, and industrialization of a particular biodiversity. If there is a loss of biodiversity in a particular region, it may lead to the decrease in the plant production, less resistant variety to the environmental disturbances such as drought. It also increases the variability in the ecosystem processes like plant productivity, water use, pest, and this disease cycle. Some recently extinct species are dodo, quagga, thylacine, Steller's tea cow, and the 3 species of tiger, that is Bali, Javan, and Caspian. There are 4 major causes of biodiversity loss. These causes are known as the evil quartet. They are as follows. First is habitat loss and fragmentation. Second is overexploitation. Third is alien species invasion. And fourth is co-extinction. First is habitat loss and fragmentation. Destruction of habitat is the primary cause of extinction of the species. The tropical rainforest initially covered 14% of the land surface of Earth, but now it remains only with 6% of the land area. The Amazon rainforest, which is also known as the lungs of the planet, is being cut and cleared for cultivation of soya beans and for conversion into grassland for raising beef cattle. When large-sized habitats are broken or fragmented due to human settlements, building of roads, digging of canals, etc., the population of animals requiring large territories and some animals with migratory habitats decline. So there is a decline in the population of animals because of the various human activity and the fragmentation which is done by the human activity. Next is overexploitation. When biological system is overexploited by man for the natural resources, it results into degradation and extinction of the resources. For example, Steller's sea cow, passenger pigeon, and many other marine fishes has been extincted because of the overexploitation process done by man. Alien or exotic species invasion. Some alien species, when introduced unintentionally or deliberately, become invasive and causes harmful impact on the native species, which results in the extinction of the indigenous species. For example, Nile perch, a large predator fish, when introduced into the Lake Victoria of East Africa, it causes the extinction of an ecologically unique species of cichlid fish which is found in the lake. Invasive weed species like Parthenium, known as carrot grass, lantana, and Eichhornia, which is known as water hyacinth, causes the environmental damage and posed threat to our native species. Introduction of African catfish for aquaculture purposes is posing a threat to the indigenous catfishes which are found in the Indian River. Co-extinction. When a species becomes extinct, the plant and the animal species associated with it in an obligatory manner also become extinct. For example, if the host fish species become extinct, all those parasites which are exclusively dependent on it will also become extinct. In plant pollinator mutualism also, extinction of one species result in the extinction of other species.